Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So another vlog style video for you today because I am going to try and bleach a couple of black t-shirts. I have never done tie-dye or bleaching before, so I'm no expert, but I thought I shall take you along with me to see how we do. So if you want to see how these t-shirts turn out, then make sure you keep watching to the end. Okie dokie, so here I've got two t-shirts. The one on the left is a size large and I'm going to be doing this for Billy. The one on the right is a size medium, which I'll be doing for myself. I have bought a medium because I want it to be slightly oversized because I'm going to cut it to make it into a cropped t-shirt. So some things you will need are obviously your two t-shirts, some bleach, some rubber bands, and some gloves to protect your hands. If you've not got rubber bands, you can use rope or some old shoelaces. So what I'm going to do with these t-shirts, I am going to pinch the t-shirt from the middle and I'm going to twist until it's in a little ball, and then I'll be tying that t-shirt up and securing it with the rubber bands. Okay, so next thing you want to do is place your t-shirts in the bath, and then you'll want to saturate both sides of each t-shirt with your bleach. I am also attempting to do a TikTok, so just apologies if you see my phone in the shot as well. Also make sure to wear your gloves. So you'll want to leave these for approximately 20 minutes and then we shall rinse off. Okay, so here's what the t-shirts are looking like. It's been just over 20 minutes. So now what we want to do is thoroughly rinse them and then we'll cut the bands off and then pop them in the wash. Okay, so I have washed the t-shirt in the wash with normal washing powder, put it in the dryer. And here we have the Bleach Effect t-shirt. So I want to crop it, so I've just got it on just so I can see kind of roughly where I want it cropped. So yeah, I'm wearing my jeans now, so I'll probably want it just about here, I think. So it just kind of covers, where do I think? So it'll kind of look something like that. So I have just used some of the excess material to create like a headband as well, which I think is a good use of the materials. And then here is the t-shirt all cropped.
You still filming?
Yeah.
I need to get ready for work.
Okay, give me a sec. We're matching! So I actually think this is a very successful outcome. I'm super happy with the result and I shall probably be wearing this all the time. I now want to find other things that I can bleach. Oh, I forgot to mention that we got these t-shirts from Tesco. They were 2 for £8 or £5 each. And sorry I haven't shown you Billy's. He is wearing it as we speak, but he doesn't want to come on camera. For some reason, he's gone camera shy. Huh? Thanks for watching this video, everybody. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe as well. I shall see you next time, everybody. Bye.